Life of a Dad's of Dad's Entertainment.
Yeah.
That's what Dad's like. Check.
Yeah.
Well.
Ha. Yeah. Cause this is the life of a dads. I'm a father in the game like a dad. And I'ma show you the ropes like your dad.
What?
The life of dads. Yeah, this is the life of a dad.
Tell him.
I'm a father in the game like a dad. And I'ma show you the ropes like your dad.
What?
Yeah, the life of
Hello,
dads.
sons and daughters. I'm your long lost father. This is what I do.
Yo, bless, this is Lord High the Dads from the Dads App YouTube channel, and you don't know, we're back at it again, 2026, and today is the big lock update. You don't know, I've done a lock update since the 6th anniversary, locked anniversary, so you don't know, we're back at it again. Bless up everybody for the new year. As you can see, the dreadlocks going in quite nice. See the lentils, yeah. So guys, this is a new year, 2026. We're trying to do it big, all new things, all new content. Look out for the unboxing. I got a couple things ready to unbox, so look out for it. I have a brand new headphones that they sent me over the Christmas and ready to unbox. I also have a water purification system that they sent me ready to unbox. So guys, look out for it. We're doing big things 2026. Make sure say everybody is online, everybody will be checking it out, and also make sure say you hit me up. Boom.